Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to summarize any YouTube video by pasting script in Claude AI. If you're using Claude AI and you want to summarize any YouTube video just by its script, so let's see how can I do that. You just have to simply open your browser, and once you are in your browser, you have to make sure that you are logged into Claude AI. Simply open Claude AI, and here the very first you have to enter a single line prompt, and then you have to enter or paste the script. You can also add file if you have any PDF or any document file of your script, so you can also try to add that here. So here the very first I'm gonna paste my prompt. Here you can see I have written summarize this YouTube transcript in 5 to 10 bullet points. Focus on the main idea and remove repetition. So you just have to skip, you can try to skip a line and start from the second new line, and you have to enter or paste your script here. So here I'm going to paste my YouTube video script. And once you have done, you just have to click on the send or submit option, or you can also try to press enter from your keyboard. And here just wait for some moment, and you might get that here. So here you can see I have prompt, a lengthy prompt, but it has converted in up to some different point, a short one line point. So in this way you can easily summarize a lengthy YouTube video in a short summary or in simple points. Thank you very much for watching this video. Until next video, bye bye.